Today I'm showing my inverter setup on this 2020 Winnebego Micro Mini. Basically I'm gonna install a three-way switch here next to the shore power input, and let's open up the rear panel and see if we can put our switch there. Right, the plan is to use this switch. This is off Amazon and looks like this. It's a three-phase switch, so we only have single phase. I'm using the 3-1 for the ground. Basically you have to short the switch just like this. Once it's mounted, you have to short the two terminals here, and then our trailer power is going to be on this side, inverter power is going to be on this side, shore power on this side. So when you switch, it will switch between the two. I prefer the manual switching over automatic because it's simpler and it's cheaper. So alright, so this panel is hiding the electrical. My switch go like right here. That way I could switch the power on and off as soon as I connect on this side. So this is the fake panel. And this is the back of it. Or not. We'll see. Here, this is the wiring I'm gonna splice into. This is gonna be our shore power input, and the other side is gonna be the trailer power input. So we're gonna splice here and put the two terminals on these two. But before I do that, I'm gonna mount this on the other panel. Right, so I got my hole in for the switch, and it's just gonna go here, just one hole. And as you can see, it's really fixed by this piece of wood so it doesn't spin. And I'm ready to install it. This is my inverter power. I got it routed from under the car, and then I'm just going to connect it to the switch. Alright, so here's the final product. Switch is installed. This will be inverter power, shore power, straight, and this is the back. Hi guys, so this is my final product. This is a cable going to the inverter directly, and this is a 2 gauge. It's a very nice cable. The second cable is the existing one going to power up the trailer. The third one is for my lift. Then now I have a single ground cable to the chassis. This is also a 2 gauge cable going here. I have rust protection on top of it, that's why it's black. And then on the bottom, my cables run together to this main box. The inverter cable going directly to the inverter, and this is the ground for the inverter. This is a 0 gauge going straight to the frame right there. and go in the cabin on here. And that's the DC line. The AC line is also from the same hole. Go in here. This is a Nomex cable, and there is a really nice channel on this trailer that goes all the way to the back. So my AC wire is in that channel right here, all the way to the back. This cable, which is the AC out. So that channel I explained in the beginning is here. My AC exits here. Then hole here, and I sealed it. Then inside goes to my three-way switch. So left is inverter power, 0 is everything off, 2 is shore power. This came out to be a really nice switch. It feels really sturdy. On the inside, this comes in from here. I already sealed it with RTV. Here I have a DC fuse. I currently running 50 amps only because I don't need more power. And then on the AC side, I have a GFCI connector to protect the AC side. And this is mounted this way. To the back, this is my solar controller I showed previously to the bottom.